Hello everyone, so let's see what are the English and phonics activities that we have done in our English notebook. This covers phonics, GK and little bit of concepts of grammar also. We have started as Sarvam is moving towards first standard now. So yeah, so let's see. So before starting, let me tell you that previously we have done certain concepts and I have shared a video with you all regarding what all we have done in our English notebook. Like this is the crossword that we have done. Then this is the parts of plant. This is junk food concept. Then this is fish, parts of fish. This is naming animals and all. All this I have covered in my previous video. So do check it out. So the first thing that I've covered over here is regarding the solar system. I've asked different questions. For this, I have a particular kit which I've designed. You can find the link in my description box, okay, where I've given all the details about how you can teach a solar system concept, okay. So I've taken a test over here that whether he knows this or not. And next is I've told to write about myself, okay, which country, city, state you live in, what do you like to eat, who are your best friends, favorite sport, etc. So this is how I make him practice cursive handwriting कि चलो कुछ लिख भी लेंगे और cursive भी handwriting practice हो जाएगी and speed पे भी हम work करेंगे. And then there is this dictation that I've taken where I've tried to cover a little bit of tricky words also, like for example filthy, earthworm, then favorite, vegetable, monsoon, cleanliness. So next is I have given him to draw something. So for each box I have given him something different to think and draw, which is draw something shorter than you. You can draw anything in life that is shorter than you. Then draw something taller than you, bigger than you, smaller than you. Then draw something that you can play with. Draw something you can eat. Draw some study material. So he has drawn book. So draw something you see on road. Draw something that is green in color. He has drawn broccoli. Over here, I have told him to write parts of human body. So as many you can remember, write it down. I need to check your spelling. So I can see that he has written all beautifully and correct spelling. Over here, I am teaching him all about diphthongs. So I just started. So number one is AU and AW, which is the sound of both is aw. Okay, and then where it comes. So I've already covered this entire topic of diphthongs in one of the video and share on my YouTube channel plus Instagram. So I'll be dropping its link. Do check it out. So next is again I've taken a dictation, but this time I have covered those words that focuses on diphthongs. Okay, which is o, ow, oo, o. Then over here oi. Then launch. यहाँ पे उसने wrong spelling लिखी है. It's LAUNCH. Oi. Then EU. Ow. So all these dictations I've taken so that मुझे समझ में आया कि उसको कितना समझ में आया है ये जो concept मैंने उसको सिखाया. So that's why I've taken dictation. So over here I've given him opposites to write. Okay, as you can see, there's a cross mark over here. There was a cross mark. So he had written two spellings incorrectly, which I corrected him. Then again, I've given him something to draw on the concept that I've covered before. Okay, so draw something that is red in color and you can eat. Like it could be strawberry, but he has drawn apple. Draw something that you see in sky. So it could be bird, it could be any vehicle, it could be cloud, rainbow, sun, anything. Okay, but he had drawn aeroplane. Then draw something that you like eating. It could be anything, like कुछ भी हो सकता है जो उसको खाना पसंद हो. I don't know what he has drawn. I forgot. So draw something that you see in Diwali. So during Diwali we see lantern. So he has drawn lantern. Then draw something green in color. Tree. Draw something orange in color and is of cone shaped, which is carrot. So yeah, you can do such kind of a thing to make them good in drawing. So next thing, now this is again GK, which I've covered. So because everyone is so much interested in looking at world map and looking at countries, cities, etc. So what I told him, okay, look at the map and write the name of countries. So simply look at the map and copy the countries that are there, so that उसके mind में register हो कि कौन सी countries है. यहाँ पे काफ़ी spelling mistake हो सकती है, जैसे तंजानिया, I don't know if spelling is correct or not. So हो सकती है, but मैंने check नहीं करा. It's just that it was just thing given to him to practice to write countries name. So these many countries name he has written. Okay, Now, next concept is again GK, right? 10 countries of Asia. So by the time I gave him this, he was, he was quite familiar with countries in Asia. So he has already written that. So I asked him मैं कौन से कॉन्टिनेंट के कंट्रीज आपको लिखने के लिए दूँ. He told मम्मा एशिया दे दो. ठीक है, क्योंकि उसको उतने शायद पता हो गए होंगे. He was more comfortable. So he wrote that. Then next is days of the week. And next is months of the year. So February spelling is wrong over here. It's okay, but it's just that whether he's able to write or not, the main concept is that I wanted to check that. So next is I gave match the capital city of different states of India. So हम लोगों ने उसको ये कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसे ही बोल बोल के करवाया था कि महाराष्ट्र का कैपिटल मुंबई है, तमिलनाडु का कैपिटल चेन्नई है. ये हमने बोल बोल के करवाया था, बट मुझे चाहिए था, मैं उसको एक्चुअल में मुझे देखना था कि वो कर भी पा रहा है या नहीं. सो मैंने मैचिंग गेम दिया उसको करने के लिए. सो ही वॉज एबल टू मैच. So yeah, and then after teaching this, we kept on asking him again and again. So this is what I get question कि आप कैसे सिखाते हो? बोल बोल के सिखाते हैं हम, which is like normal thing, right? Everyone can do that. I've taught him all about sound, which is or का word भी for God. So so मुझे देखना था कि ये वाले साउंड के वर्ड से कितने फेमिलियर है. सो आई गिवन हिम लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू राइट. मे बी उसने 1 2 3 कुछ पूछ के भी लिखा होगा, मम्मा ओ आर आएगा या यू आएगा. यहाँ पे हम सब प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे. दिस वॉज नॉट लाइक अ टेस्ट, बट या आई वॉन्टेड टू चेक कि अगर नंबर लिख रहे हैं तो वो ई आर लिखता है या यू आर लिखता है या ओ आर लिखता है, आई आर लिखता है, वो क्या लिखेगा. आई वॉन्टेड टू चेक, बट ही मोस्टली डिड इट करेक्टली ओनली. So next is again the same thing that I gave him over here, 10 countries in Asia. So over here I've given him 10 countries in Europe. So yes, he has written it pretty nicely. Then again we've done some opposites: clean, dirty, above, under, white, black, fast, slow, all these. Then over here again I've taken a dictation of these words. Now over here I've carefully chosen these words to make it a little difficult for him. Like for example, excellent, gratitude, children, chance, all these words. So over here I've asked him questions related to multiple topics. Okay, एक particular topic पे नहीं है कि continent पे है, country पे है या planet पे है, सब कुछ mix दिया है मैंने. Opposite of ugly, he has written beautiful. Capital of Punjab, Chandigarh. Father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. National dress of India, just like a random GK questions I've given. Whatever I wanted to ask, I asked over here. So next I've given him to write is parts of plant and parts of fish. Previously मैंने उसको यहाँ पे सिखाया था कि ये पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट क्या है, पार्ट्स ऑफ फिश क्या है, और यहाँ पे मैंने उसका टेस्ट लिया है कि हम क्या आप अब खुद से लिखो पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ फिश. नेक्स्ट आई हैव गिवन हिम इज सम लॉजिकल रीजनिंग व्हिच इज व्हाट कम्स नेक्स्ट. सो ही जस्ट हैव टू चेक ओवर हियर BDPQB. सो बी के बाद क्या आएगा, तो गो टू बी, व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट, डी. Again, diamond, oval, rectangle, circle. Diamond, oval. To go to oval, what's next? Rectangle. Like this. I've given some words and I've drawn something and given. So yeah. So this comes under creative writing, which is writing about myself or writing about your family, etc. Like an essay. So Sarvam is, taking some online classes, which I'll share details soon on my Instagram, the collaboration that I've done with a brand. During that class, teacher taught him, how to frame this entire thing when it comes to talking about yourself, introducing yourself, myself. So yeah, he has learned all this from his class and then this was his homework to write on his own, the entire thing. So he has taken a little bit of help here and there, but yeah, he has tried to write on his own that my name is Sarvam. I'm 5 years old. I live in city Mumbai. I study in senior KG class. I have 5 members in my family. My favorite member is, my favorite food is, my favorite sport, my favorite animal, my favorite season. My hobby is, my strength are, when I grow up, I want to be like that. Okay. So next is action words and verb. So verb is something related to grammar. So he is learning what are action words. So हर कोई sentence में उसको recognize करना है action word क्या है. I play in a park with my friends. So is it park? Is it friend? Or is it play? So it's play, right? So that's what the work is in progress to teach this. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thank you so much for watching.